In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Netmirror not opening problem. If the Netmirror app won't launch, the fix is usually quick. We will refresh the app, clear out any corrupted temporary files. Check your connection, and make sure you are on the latest version. Follow along and try opening the app after each step. First, force stop the app. This shuts down any stuck background processes that can prevent Netmirror from opening cleanly. On your device, long press the Netmirror icon, tap App Info. Then choose Force Stop, confirm if prompted. Wait a second, then tap the icon to relaunch the app. This simple reset often clears minor glitches without changing your settings or data. If it still doesn't open, clear the cache and, if needed, the app data. Go back to App Info, open Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. The cache is just temporary files. Wiping it removes bad data that may be blocking startup. Try launching the app again. If it continues to fail, return to Storage and Cache and select Clear Data. This resets the app to its default state and can resolve deeper issues. Keep in mind you may need to log back in afterward. So have your credentials handy. Clearing data won't affect anything stored in your account online, but it does remove local preferences. Next, check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network-specific blocks. Some internet service providers or network configurations can interfere with the app's connection servers. If you are using a VPN, temporarily turn it off and try again. Since VPNs can also block or reroute traffic in a way the app doesn't expect. After changing networks or disabling a VPN, open the app to see if it responds. Finally, make sure you have the latest version of Netmirror from the official App Store. Open the store page, look for an update button, and install it if available. Updates include bug fixes that directly address launch problems. If you are already up to date and the app still won't open, uninstall Netmirror completely and then reinstall it from the official store. A fresh install replaces any corrupted files the updater might miss. While you are at it, it's a good idea to ensure your device's system software is current, since outdated system components can affect app stability. That's it, thanks for watching.